Welcome back to the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It is Sunday, and today we do a classic Sunday jerk stick with some honey and jerk sauce, and marinate it. Is just beautiful. Bake it off in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Get that perfect color, and hopefully this will be a benefit to you, and also you can do this at home in your kitchen. So stay tuned and remember to share the video and tell a friend about Chef Ricardo. Stay tuned. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing, you know, every Sunday we normally do a special Sunday dinner, a classic Sunday dinner, and you know what I mean, we do different stuff, different ideas of things which you can do at home. But anyway, today we want to do a honey and jerk sauce, jerk chicken in your oven. We're going to do it in the oven, guys, but it's also a part of the Sunday dinner roast. As I said before, you know what I mean, you can do anything you like on a Sunday dinner. So this is going to be a part of the chicken which we're going to be using different kind of stuff with the Sunday dinner. As it goes by, you will see different stuff. Anyway, but I brought probably about 10-11 pieces of a drumstick. Remove the skin from the drumstick and get it washed off with some either vinegar. You could either use vinegar, white vinegar, or lemon juice to wash your meat, get rid of the bacteria and the germs. I must say I went to the local butcher just around the corner from me, Ozzy, on London Road. So it's very good butcher. You know what I mean? You can get the meat to buy, get it fresh, clean, hygienic meat. That's what we're talking about, hygienic, 5-star meat shop, really good. But anyway, I will put some more information below about the butcher if you want to get good fresh local meat where you can get, you know what I mean, just really amazing. Anyway, first thing which we're going to do, as we say, today is going to be honey and jerk chicken drumstick today. So first thing what we're going to do is put on some honey on it like this, roughly about 2 tablespoons of honey. And next thing we're going to put on a teaspoon of mixed herb. I got some smoked paprika which I'm gonna put also. I'm gonna put a teaspoon of smoked paprika. And you can get smoked paprika to buy at the local shop, meat shop, high street, wherever you are, you can get it to buy. Teaspoon of chicken season. And a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. And that's it. I don't want to use too much of this kind of seasoning. Anyway, I'm just using my jerk paste right here, which I brought up the supermarket, and very nice and lovely. As I say, you can make your own at home if you like to, but I just brought one from the shop and say, you know, make life a little bit more easier for the fans. I'm gonna put on about roughly half teaspoon because it's really spicy. Then we're gonna pop some olive oil. The only thing I want to say, I have some sweet chili sauce which I would just want to use it up, get rid of it. So basically I'm gonna just pop a little bit of the sweet chili sauce on it also. Give it a lovely flavor and a lovely taste. Just want to get rid of the sweet chili sauce, so I need to use it on something. The only thing, make sure you guys got the gloves. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put on my gloves and I'm gonna simply marinate up the meat like this. If you want to put on some white onion, thyme, garlic, and all this kind of natural seasoning, you can if you want to, but I'm just gonna keep it very simple, nothing too complicated. So I'm just gonna keep it really simple and easy. But if you want to put on all of those natural seasonings, you're free to put on your onion, your garlic, your thyme. But the only thing is that the jerk seasoning, I've ordered those in it already. So you know what I mean, you don't need to stress yourself and say you gotta have to cut white onion to make your eye run in water and all these things. So as you can see, basically you can marinate your meat from the day before. That's the best way, not to marinate on the same day. It's to marinate it from 24 hours ago. So what we're going to do, I'm gonna lay it in this thin sheet right here with a piece of a grease-proof paper, just like this. As you can see, exactly what I'm doing right here. Then get that nice lovely sauce. Nice one, lovely. So basically what I want to simply say to you guys, if you notice, I just lay out the chicken thigh on the piece of a grease-proof paper, and basically what you can do, yeah, is bake this in your oven for 30 minutes, if not 25 to 30 minutes at least, and gas mark 9 or 8 if you're using a different kind of oven. 175 or 165 is good. 20 to 25 minutes in your oven. Guys, just enjoy the recipe, and remember, Sunday dinner classic recipe from Chef Ricardo and the team. And this one is some good old jerk drumstick with honey. Enjoy the recipe, guys. Nice and lovely. Welcome back, guys. As you can see, this is the drumstick recipe from Chef Ricardo today, the jerk one with some honey. It's an amazing recipe, guys. Look at that, beautiful. So basically I just take it from the oven and it just perfect, and that's exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna shear it out into a plate, bowl or something, just to make it look nice and more neater, and you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. So enjoy it as I shear it out. Nice and lovely. As you can see, I just pour the sauce of the chicken straight on it like this. Beautiful one, guys. As you can see, this is from Chef Ricardo on the team, and that's part of the Sunday dinner meal today. Classic one, as you can see, looking lovely, nice and fantastic. So hopefully, guys, you like the recipe. Please subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. Dislike this, you can just put it on the table and make the family them feel welcome and happy. So guys, it's just ideas and tips, and this is from Chef Ricardo. We and the team, we work very hard to find the best recipe to suit the fans them and to make the fans them happy. So this one is drumstick, jerk drumstick with honey and a little bit of sweet chili sauce, and it's just fantastic and amazing. So enjoy the recipe, and if you like it, please leave your comments below. As I said, Sunday dinner drumstick with honey, jerk sauce and sweet chili sauce, amazing, totally different, looking lovely and nice. See you next time. Bye bye.